Hello my gorgeous friends out here, how are we doing today? So in today's video I'll be showing us how to create this right on animation with HTML and CSS, no JavaScript included. So let's dive straight into it. So the first thing we have to do from here is create a new file with index.html and create another file for the CSS with, let's say, write-on.css, and in the index.html file let's define our basic HTML code and link our CSS to the HTML, and this is done. So in the body tag we should put a h1 tag there and a data to text. Then in the data to text we should put in the word that I would want to write on. Okay, for example, I'll be using, my name is Destiny Franks, and between the opening and the closing tag we should also put in the same words. My name is Destiny Franks, and let's just make this a capital letter. And from here we're pretty much done with the HTML file. So let us open this up with a live server and we get this in the browser, and let's go to our CSS and define a body tag with a margin of 0 and a padding of 0. Let's just do that on a new line with a padding of 0, and we are done with this. So we should define a h1 tag that should have a position to be absolute, and the top should be of 50% and the left should also be a 50%. Okay, let me just get this, a 50%, then it should be somewhere here. Then we can put a transform translate with minus 50%, then they come with minus 50%, and it should be at the middle now. So we also need a letter spacing of 5 pixels, and this is pretty much it. And we need a font family of sans serif, and you can see this cool effect here. So from here the next thing we need is to make the margin a 0 pixel and the padding a 0 pixel, and also make the color to be transparent. Then we're done with this. So let's define a h1 of before, and okay, let's remove one of this. Then from here, okay, then from here let's put a content attribute of data to text, which is this one over here. Then on the next line what we should do is also put a position of absolute, and this is really cool now. So let's see. Then from here we should also make the top of 50%, and also, okay, I meant the top, we should make the top of 50%, and we should also make the left of 50%. And from here we should add a width of 100%, and also a height of 100%. And from here we should make the color, let's make the color a black color. Then we should also hide the overflow, so we should put an overflow to hidden. And from here we should add a border to right, that is like the cursor, like a tapping cursor. So we should make this a 1px with a solid state and a black color. So let's see what we've got here. Okay, this is not yet aligned. Then we should from here make the animation. Let me see, animation. We should make the animation type, and let's make it 10 seconds with steps. steps of, okay, so we have to count how many words are here, and this should be 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I'll be using a twin step, and after the twin step we should also put an infinite. So let's see what we've got here. Okay, nothing is up first. Let's put a white space. White space should be a no wrap. Then let's add some keyframes and bring this down. So from here we should add a keyframe of type. Sorry, that's a mistake. Add a keyframe of type, and we should also make a 0% with opening and closing curly brackets, and from here we should add a width of 0%, and we should also duplicate this in 3 places. So let's duplicate this in 3 places, and we should make this 50% and make this a 100%, and we should also make this 100%. So let's see what we got. This is what we got, but it's not positioned at the center. Anyway, I think if this tutorial is really okay, I think this is what we got. You could also go further to style your page by adding a background color. Let's say we're adding a background color of let's say an aqua, and when this refreshes it looks more better. I don't know why that's okay. Let me see. Okay, I think everything is cool. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I think this helped a lot, and this is what we're looking for. Sorry for the fact it's not aligned in the middle, but thanks. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you do enjoy this video, do make sure to leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Q Tracks.